Sorry, I have your life goal. But before that, let me finish this puja. So after completing my daily routine, now it's almost 3 o'clock. And why goal is important? The first reason I feel that whenever you have your goal, you don't distract from your goal. And second thing is that whenever you achieve your goal, it may be your big goal or maybe it's small goal, but one thing is common: whenever you will achieve your goal, you will feel happiness. So this thing is common. Before telling similarities between my and your goal, let me tell you a story. You know, when I was 10th to 12th class, at that time each and every day I was praying to God, oh God, please help me to achieve at least 80% mark at exam. But at that time I didn't realize that only by asking and praying to God doesn't help me to bring 80% at exam. I was not studying, not summarizing answers. Why? To be honest, those subjects are not into my interest list at all. So how I will secure 80%? God will write answers for me. Ultimately I have to write answers at exam. If I had interest, then only God would help me to secure 80%. No interest, not trying, then God won't help me. God work is to show path towards your goal if you do continuous work on your goal. So till now, each and every day I asked to God about my goal, but now things are little changed. So now whenever I asked about my goal to God, oh God, please help me, please give me the power. I will work relentlessly towards my goal and give me power of determination so that I will never give up. And obviously when I will do consistent work on my work, so obviously things are gonna work. So both we have similarities, similar goals in our life. So first is to earn big money and second is to get peace in our life. So I told you my goal is to earn big money and to achieve peace in my life. But to be honest, that is not exactly I meant. So what actually I meant? You may be shocked that my reality is little bit different. I don't know why that is. I think because I born in a middle class family middle class family or lower middle class family, maybe, I don't know. I belong to a lower middle class family, but anyway, my mindset is like that. I don't want huge amount of money because I know money is only used for buying happiness, I guess, buying those things which are important in our life. So I feel like that I don't have that much, I'm not that much greedy that I want huge amount of money. But yes, money I need because I have few little dreams. Like I have a dream that I will buy a Mercedes and I will build a good home. Obviously I have a good home, but I need another good home. In that case I may be greedy, but yes, in that case I am greedy. So I need enough money so that all family members should be healthy. They should have good clothes, good food, including me. So this is my goal. But core goal is that was, I think, not goal, that is basic need. But my core goal is to earn 10 lakh. You will say that, Vijay, you told now that you are not greedy. Now you are telling you want 10 lakh. So that means you are greedy. You can say, but I am explaining this to you that I want 10 lakh money to prove myself. Because nowadays in our society, it is happening like this. Like if you are earning good money, you are a good person, you are respected person or respectful person. So you have to earn good money. And to prove some peoples also, I took this goal into my life so that I will have good life. So anyway, my goal is to earn 10 lakh money per month. And second, which is very much important, to get a financial freedom. You build a system. In that system, you don't have to work for money, and automatically your system is providing you money, and that is known as passive income. So I want to build that so that I will be financial freedom. And this is my most priority goal in my life. And another thing I will tell you, but wait a bit. So second thing is that I told you I want peace in my life, but in reality I need a thing which is a level upper than peace, that is purpose. So in my life I want this life to be purposeful. Like I believe every person that took birth on this planet, they have some kind of special purpose, and similarly I have a purpose too. And I don't want to die like maximum people used to die, who are called average people in this world. So I don't want to be an average person. So I want a purpose. So what is my purpose? My purpose is to spread positivity. So I believe that in this world, the great thing you can do is giving job to people. Because you see, in every aspect of a person, majority of people, I guess, the most common problem is they are lacking money, and because they are lacking money, they have many issues and troubles. So for this reason, I believe that the most valuable thing you can provide to this society is providing jobs to people, other people. Same thing. So this is my second purpose of this life. So I thought that I will give 100 jobs to people, but for now I am jobless. So let me first earn, then I will give job to 100 people. Anyway, so many you people may tried many things and you succeed, and many of you are tried many things and you didn't succeed. I am also a person who is not successful till yet. So we are same, I guess. So see you at next video. This is a very rough ending, but see you. Bye.